right, here's our second part of the video.
Yeah, because the other video, we had to stop because then I would just be talking and it would end. So we're gonna do, yeah, and it even says fidget putty right here, and plus these squishies. So this takes 3/4 too. And as you can see, I have a whole bunch of quarters. So I'm just gonna put one here and two in there.
It's 75 cents, not 50.
Did you put 3 in there?
Yeah, I put 3.
Jammed up. That one don't work.
Nope. That one didn't give us anything, so we're
Yeah.
not doing that again.
Yeah, we're not even trying again, but we are gonna do this one.
Yeah, and this time I'm gonna turn the thing because sometimes if you go too slow, it doesn't work.
Yeah. So,
So you put the money in 2 quarters, and I'll turn the knob.
So just put 2 right here. Okay.
There you go.
Okay. So I guess it's like a surprise.
That's
So,
the mystery one.
yeah, it's a mystery. Which we're not even trying this one again. I have a couple more
Oh,
quarters.
there's more inside the store too.
Oh yeah, there's more inside the store too, but I'm just gonna do this one more time. So so it does take how many quarters?
2 quarters, see, 50 cents.
Okay, so does it say like down here, whatever? Okay, so it's only 2, right?
Yep.
1 in each. Okay.
Good for us.
Okay. Oh, guys. It's like, so, you probably don't know, but they have like mochi fakes, kind of. They're not like really fakes, but like,
They're like this.
yeah, they're not mochis, but they're like squishy. So I can't really explain it, but that's what I got. So, yeah, there is like kind of mochis in there, but it's with jewelry. So, bye guys.